Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Surosh and I'm a foundation level student at Rehan School at campus Islamabad, and today I am doing my TEDx talk review. My topic is why people believe they can't draw by Graham Shaw. I hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to share my review of the inspiring TEDx talk why people believe they can't draw by Graham Shaw. At first, the title may seem like it's only about drawing, but as I watched the talk, I realized it is actually about much more than art. It is about confidence, learning, and the limiting beliefs that stops us from reaching our full potential. Many of us have said, "I can't draw. I'm not creative, and I can't do this," or "I'm just not good at this." This thought often begins in childhood when someone criticizes our work or compare us to others. Over time, we start believe these negative labels and stop trying altogether. Raham Shah explains that the biggest obstacle is not our ability, it's our belief. We convince ourselves that we cannot learn a skill before we even give ourselves the chance to practice. Through simple drawing exercise, he demonstrates that anyone can improve with the right guidance and a willingness to learn. One of the most important lessons from this talk is the power of a growth mindset. We don't have to be perfect from the beginning. Every expert was once a beginner who practiced, made mistakes, and improved over time. Whatever it's drawing, public speaking, learning a language, or starting a business program comes through patience and consistent effort. Another message that really stood out to me is that fear of failure often stops us from trying. We worry about making mistakes or being judged by others, where mistakes are not proof that we are incapable. They are proof that we are learning. Every mistake teaches us something valuable and brings us one step closer to improvement. Watching this talk on the TED platform remind us that small challenges in our thinking can create big changes in our lives. Watching both the English and Urdu version makes the message even more relatable because it encourages people from different backgrounds to believe in themselves. Personally, this talk reminded me that talent is not always the key to success. Determination, practice, and self belief are often much more important. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," we should start saying, "I can't do this yet." That one small word, "yet," changes our entire mindset. It gives us hope and motivates us to keep learning. Before I end, I want to leave you with one thought. Every skill you admire is someone else was once new to them. They were beginning. So don't let fear, doubt, or past criticism stop you from exploring your potential, believing your ability to learn, because growth starts the moment you decide to try. So, Viva, this is my TEDx talk review. Hope so you like it. Meet you in the next video. Pakistan Zindabad. Khuda.